guys, welcome back to another video. I'm here with a box in my lap. Wonder what kind of box I got. Well, it was a birthday present, so I already opened it and I already wore and used half of the stuff in this box, but here it is. I'm here reviewing it for my YouTube channel. Thanks for being a shawty and tuning in. Here you go. This is the spring 2020 FabFitFun box. This was my first box, so I got it for a total of $43 and some change. The total of my box was $267 was the total value of the items in this box, and I only chose two. I think I chose two of the items because I ordered it pretty late. I ordered it April 18th. That's pretty late because they take orders March, so they ran out of pretty much the good stuff. But you got this fun little magazine. This was funny. This was really funny because I was in the middle of season 5 when I got this box. I got this box like 4 days ago, and it has all the items, all the pricings. This is really what I wanted, but that was gone. That was gone, girl. That was gone. That was gone. Even the stuff I got was like the secondary products. They were really good things, so I could say they have really good choices. Gina, and we ain't talking about her right now. Next, we ain't talking about her right now. So the first thing we got was the Donnie ribbed sweater coat. Oh my gosh, obsessed. It's like a sweater, like a robe into one. As if you know me, you know a robe is my favorite thing to wear in the whole entire world. I could wear a robe anywhere. I'll wear a robe to bed. I'll wear a robe to the DMV. I'll wear a robe to work. I'll wear a robe to my job interview if I could. Here it is. This is it. This is it real quick. This product, I'm not really using. I don't really use lunch boxes. I mean, I could use it as a little mini cooler bag, you know, not lunch box. I used to use lunch boxes when I was in school, middle school, high school. I don't really using things now, but I would love to keep this handy. This is the Kate Spade New York lunch tote. This is the polka dot. It has like gold. Oh wow. Oh wow. I didn't even use it yet. Look. Ain't that crazy how that fell off on camera for y'all to see? It just fell off in my hand. Y'all seen that? Y'all seen that? Put that in there. Man, it's better condition, but it's cute. So I already started using this. This is a Circus Sam Elderman wallet. It's the Nicola Slim wallet with a zipper in the front. The change in here. I got change in here already. See, I put it back in the box so you could like see. I got my cards in here, my little ID. I got some chump change. I spent my money getting my hair done, so there ain't no cash in here. Girl. If you follow me on Instagram, you can see I wear this on one of my most recent posts. This is the Amber. I don't know how to pronounce that. How do you pronounce that? I love this. This has a value of $40. The wallet had a value of $38, and the sweater had a value of $99. And the lunch tote, $30. So sweater $99, lunch tote $30, wallet $38, necklace $40. This is a cute little thing. I wrapped it right back up so you can see. There you go. Next, oh my gosh, the best thing I could have got when I got my hair done, a spray. Like anything you spray on your roots will cool down your roots. You don't really want to spray water. You really want to spray like something oil based. This is a Moroccan argan oil Moroccan Gold Series Leave-In Mask Intense Care for All Hair Types Spray, Pure Argan Oil. I love this. This is one of my favorite items that I got in the box. This goes for $39. But if you have a FabFitFun subscription, you can go on their website and get it right now for $9. It's like a thick, you hear the thickness of the spray. I like that. It smells really good. A1 100. Okay, I haven't used this product yet, but smells amazing. You can smell it before you can open the box. This is the Wish Coconut Milk and Verbena Exfoliating Foot Mask. Exfoliate, polishes, and soothes and smooths your feet. Oh my god, this smells like heaven. The best thing ever. Can't wait to use it. Haven't used it yet. I'm looking forward to it. Next, I have used this once. Had it in my purse. The one day I did leave the house to go to the supermarket. It's the Musk. It's the Lavito Musk Coconut and Shea Butter Nourishing Hand Cream. Coconut. The exfoliating foot mask goes for approximately $32, but you can get it right now on FabFit.com for $9. Use my code below to sign up. You get $10 off your first box. Ooh, exclusive coupon codes in the back for like the brands that came in the box, like the brand Donnie that has the sweater. There's a 20% off coupon code in the back. I'm not going to give that to you, but that is mine. Last but not the least, one of the smallest items, but most thought profound item. My favorite thing in the world is a lip balm. A good moisturizing lip balm. This one looks like rainbows. This is the Wikilux Rainbow Balm. Color enhancing pH. Yeah, it's a color enhancing pH balm. Cutest little thing in the world. It goes for approximately $18. That's some Jeffrey's. Anyway, I love how it looks like a little bullet. That's the cutest little thing. It says Wikilux on it. Open it up. I used it once. Just try it out. I left my lips plain. Yeah. It's like cute little rainbow colors. Look how, oh, that looks so cute on camera. Oh, that is so cute. Even though I got like left the things I didn't really think I would like, things I didn't think I would want, things I didn't think to ask for. The only two things I chose were the necklace and the sweater. Everything else, the third choice, I said surprise me, and then the rest they choose for you based on your quiz. The only thing, my least favorite item out the box, the lunch tote. My most favorite item out the box, the robe slash sweater, because I could sleep in it. I love things like this. I love my robe. I love my little pearls. FabFit butt box. A-okay. $267 worth of crud. Not crud, but I call everything crud. But $267 worth of foolery. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for being a shawty. You already know. It's your favorite channel. My lights is dying. I still look cute though. I put some blush on so I don't look pale for once in my life. But thanks for being a shawty. Thanks for tuning in. Hope y'all like this. Please comment. Please subscribe. Please follow me on Instagram. Got a Twitter I barely use. And my Facebook page, demonstrated by Cece, down below. Thanks for coming back, guys.